Hi everybody, thank you for watching. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this copper makeup look. So although there is still snow on the ground here in New Jersey, it is technically spring, which I am so excited about. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here, then please keep watching. To start off today's look, I'm using the Urban Decay and Kristen Leanne Daydream eyeshadow palette. I'm first picking up the color Daydream with my Sigma E40 brush, and I'm blending that right into my crease. Next, I'm picking up the color Subscribe, and I'm applying that right below the lighter shade in my crease as well. So since I'm going to be going in with a darker copper shade in a minute, I just want to add some dimension, that way it fades nicely and you don't have to do as much work later on. So next up, I'm grabbing the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and I'm picking up the color Saturn, also with my large blending brush, and I'm going to start blending that into the lighter brown shades. I'm going to start working that down almost on my lid and then blending it upwards. I want to keep most of the color down here on my lid at first, and then we can start blending it up. That way the color doesn't go too far up towards your brow. So I just like to use a little bit at a time and work the color in. I'm then grabbing my Sigma E25 in that same Saturn shade, and I'm dipping it into a setting spray, and I'm going to blend that right into the outer V just to give it a little bit more pigment. I'm then wiping off my larger brush, and I'm just going to very, very lightly blend everything together. I'm then picking up a little bit of the color Parallel, and that is also going to go on my outer V. With my finger, I'm grabbing the color Eternal, and I'm just going to apply that right onto my lid. I'm grabbing a little bit of the color Vegas Lights by Makeup Geek. It's a pigment, and I'm going to apply that right over it because I really want the copper to be super, super bright. So I'm just going to go back in with my blending brush and very lightly blend the color Saturn into my crease and just give it a little bit more of a faded look. With the color Eternal, I'm going to apply that right into my tear duct because I couldn't really reach it with my finger. For eyeliner, I'm using the Tartiste eyeliner. I'm using the felt tip side. To highlight in my tear duct and also under my brow, I'm using the Amrezi highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And for my lower lash line, I'm using a pencil brush and the Eternal Shadow, and I'm going to push that up really close to my lash line. I'm also going to use a bronze eyeliner for inside of my eye in a minute. And then right underneath that color, I'm going to apply Saturn. For my inner lower lash line, I'm using the color Show Me by ColourPop. And since I do have lash extensions, I'm just going to be using my Buxom mascara. So I actually just found this reddish copper eye pencil. It's called Opulence by ZOEVA, and it's a little bit closer to my eyeshadow color, so I'm going to add this on my lower lash line on top of the other one. For lip liner, I'm using the color Sienna by Jouy. And for lipstick, I'm using Lolita by Kat Von D. I'm also going to mix a little bit of Hudson by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to grab this highlight shade from my palette, and I'm going to apply a little bit on my lips to give it like a metallic look. And a little bit of this color as well. And I'm going to take a little bit of this Bite lip mask and apply that. To highlight my nose, I'm going to take the Resi highlighter and apply it. These highlighters are so pretty. I love it. And because this is my first spring look, I am going to apply a little bit of highlighter. Why not? Sideburns though. And I'm applying this before I do bronzer and blush. That way I can kind of tone it down a little bit. So to bronze up my face, I'm using my Shade and Light palette. Then I'm grabbing the Natasha Denona Citrus Highlight Palette, and I'm going to start off with a little bit of this Glow Cream Highlight. And I'm going to use my Beauty Blender, and I'm going to apply it right on my cheeks. I'm then going to grab the powder blush. And I'm going to take a little bit of this highlighter and just highlight my chest a little bit, collarbone, shoulders. And to finish off this look, I'm going to use my lavender facial spray. So this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Since I did miss Sunday's video, there will be 2 more videos after this one this week on my channel, so make sure to check back for those. Please subscribe now by clicking the button right here, and if you guys want post notifications, you can click the little bell and you guys will get emails as soon as I post new videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.